Tea time!
That's a mouse turnover for you. And that's a fish surprise for you.
Not too fast, Mog, or you'll end up with hiccups. Oh, dear.
Oh, don't worry. They'll be gone in a minute. Oh, Mog's hiccups are so annoying.
I can't sleep a wink.
Shh! Keep the noise down. I'm trying to sleep.
We've got to help Mog get rid of those hiccups.
Why don't you try holding your breath?
They've gone!
Oh, at last. Now we can get on with our breakfast.
Yeah, oh, lovely. Oh, dear.
Oh!
I've got an idea. Rattle 'em, shake 'em, give 'em a fright. Hickory chickory, we'll fix 'em all right. Okay? Good. Now we can eat in peace.
It wasn't me. It came from up there.
Well, there's no one in here. Did you see that?
The hiccups have gone out of Mog and into the broom.
And the cauldron.
Let's go downstairs. It's too loud up here. Ooh. Oh, this is worse than the bedroom.
What did you say?
He said, this is worse than the bedroom. Shush!
What are we going to do?
What did you say?
He said, what are we going to do? Will you be quiet?
Oh, that worked.
You must have given them a fright.
So that's the way to cure hiccups. Oh, no.
Just joking.
Mouse turnover for you, Owl. And a fish surprise for you, Mog. And Mog.
I know. Eat slowly.
Exactly.